The PNI IP660MP camera is only compatible with the PNI House WiFi 660 video surveillance kit. The IP660MP PNI IP camera is equipped with 4 IR and Floodlight LEDs, which allows viewing even at night over a distance of up to 30 meters. It can be used to monitor homes, offices, factories, shops, hospitals, etc. Simple, convenient and real-time. The procedure for enrolling the camera in the PNI WiFi 660MP system. Right-click on the home screen of the NVR and choose the wireless menu. The list of cameras already added to the system will be displayed. To add a new camera, click Code for Wireless. The system will scan the cameras in the area and display the newly found camera on channel 9. You can wait for the search phase to complete or click Exit if your camera has already been identified. To finish adding the camera to the system, double-click the newly found camera.